Hi, this is Steve coming at you from my kitchen, and I had a video tonight that I wanted to share with you. But first, before I get into that, I wanted to thank Bliss WTEW and STFN Reloaded at Rumble because they're the ones that brought it to my attention, and I'm going to share it with you tonight. It's about the Gesundheit Passport, and it's all about Nazis. Okay? Nazi Germany used the health passports for their extermination program. So, most of us know what happened in World War II. Jews were singled out, they were separated out, and they were sent to death camps. Before that, leading up to that, what the Nazis did was they rolled out this health pass called the Gesundheit Passport. And what it was papers, papers that you had to have in order to conduct business, in order to buy things, in order to travel, all that stuff. If you've seen it on the movies, whenever they ask for your papers, the Gesundheit Passport was part of those papers that Jews and others had to produce in order to be legal and not get in trouble. So it was called the Gesundheit Passport. And the way it worked was in their attempt to wipe out political opponents, when I'm talking about the Nazis and Adolf, or people of mixed heritage, they made you have the Gesundheit Passport. As early as 1933, which was a little bit earlier in the war, they were going after medical workers, they were going after Jews, they were going after their political opponents, and anybody that didn't agree with their ideology through the Gesundheit Passport. You had to have these papers. They were the only ones that could give them to you. And you were considered unclean if you didn't have it. Physically unclean, not able to do anything in normal society. And that led to being ethnically unclean. So it started with being sick or whatever label they put on you, and it progressed to being ethnically unclean and unfit to be in their society, and it led to the gas chambers. So that was called the Gesundheit Passport, and people lost their businesses, were put out of business. Pretty soon, everybody was blonde-haired and blue-eyed, and even they weren't safe. So it was very dangerous. And I don't know what else I can say. I don't want history to repeat itself.